Hi people, this is Nery. Okay, what do you think this is? Yeah, I know. It's a mess. These are, oh, the seeds are coming in my lap. Let me put it, at least one seed is. Okay, these are the coriander. They dried out already. Now I gotta clean it out. I didn't put them in a plastic bag because the summer gets very humid. And what it does is it rottens it, and it gets all white. I don't know why white. It's like some sort of fungus that it gets. So I decided to just leave it in the air like this, and let it take out all the. And I'm gonna show you something. Wait. Let me see if you could see it. Ah, I dropped it. Okay, let me see. Hold on. This is the seed, and all you do is like this. I'm gonna pour it right back in here. Let me see if we can see. I don't know if you can see it. They're so small. Okay, they fell down. I don't know if you saw it. I don't know, but I'm gonna clean them out, and for now. And I also have another thing that's happening is that my basil now is giving babies up here, and up here it rotted all out. So I took them out. I'm trying to save them either way. Look at that. This one looks weaky still, but the other two or three, I think there's 4 of them in here. Let me see, 1, 2. No, there's 3 of them only. The other 2, they look good. This one, I don't know if it's gonna make it. I might cut down the bottom part a little bit because it's very long. Maybe it's not getting the water like it should be. So I'm gonna be cutting it down, I think, and let it, grow. So these are gonna be transplanted as soon as it gets the roots. And I have over there, as you can see right there. The other thing I wanted to show you. Okay, let me get rid of this. This sting you. They get, they're not that stingy no more because they dry. But I call it. You gotta be careful because the seeds come out, and then you miss them, you lose them. They're very, very, very small. I also wanted to show you something. Trying to get it. Okay, remember this? I made a video a while back when I bought it. It was all sickling, looked like it was gonna die. And I don't know what's wrong with the stores. They're not selling good quality, Right there, that tomato right there, that strawberry right there is the only one left from the ones I had. The heat actually killed it to death. But this is the only one that has been saved. The lizard have not eaten it because of this other leaf that it covers it, so they're not gonna go in there. And it gave the first fruit, strawberry, I think like 2 weeks ago, but nobody could eat it. Before it got red, it got rotted. So I guess I'm gonna have to wait for it to, get his strength back real good, and then give the fruits. So this one I'm waiting for it to grow a little bigger. When it grows big, I'm gonna take her out, or I might leave it there. It depends, and maybe later on I will take her out, when she's pretty big. But if they do get fruit, I'm gonna see if I do it again. And I gotta find a way where the lizard does not get to them. I gotta cover it up, and they get hot, and they start dying off. And I don't know. Maybe I'll do it I might as well do it in the winter time. That the time is more cooler, so whatever you have open is gonna get some air through there. When it's hot, you suffocate with the air. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do. And concerning these, I'm just gonna let it be. I also have bought some plants. Where is it? Okay. Oh my God, it is all sad because I left them since yesterday outside. This one is broken. It broke. So I don't know what happened to it. I left them here, and I think the cat came in. I have a kitten. It's not mine. He comes and I give him food and water and whatever, because the rats. When you live in the countryside, you don't know where the rats hang out. So I don't want him to hang out in my house, or in my balcony. And he started to get become a pest. He was going into here, where I got my other aloe veras, the small ones. I put them there because the other plant that I had there, it was my kale. I'm going to show you how my kale is. Hold on. Well, here's my kale. As you can see right there, the leaves are doing better. They're not, they were slouched down. I had cut some of them because they started to look ugly. But these two are looking pretty good, as you can see right there. I put this one out there, it could get some light. This one, it grows a little bit. I think I could put it through here to get some light too. And you wonder how they're gonna grow here inside the balcony. Well, I got LED light, and at night I put it on for a while, until I go to sleep most of the time. So they get light anyways. So this one is doing pretty good. These seeds are made, they call it orange, and it's a sour fruit. It's this big yellow thing. I forgot what they call it, but I'm gonna write it down in the subscription, and that way it's both things at one time. My husband bought it, and he said, "Oh, do you wanna taste this?" They gave it to me at work, and I said, "Sure, let me taste it." And when he came back, he's like, and I'm going like, "Where's my piece? You said you didn't answer. You said you didn't want that because you were eating candies." I said, "I didn't say that. I didn't even hear you talking to me about it." So I didn't get to taste it. But if I find one, I'm gonna see if I could find one, and I could make a video of what it looks like and stuff like that. This is why I didn't bring. I was planning to bring the fruit and show it inside and everything, but it didn't happen. But anyway, these are the seeds, and I'm gonna put the best seeds, which I think is this one. It's nice and thick and big. This one or this one, either one. So that's what I'll be doing. And now I'm just gonna plant these plants. I think one of them I'm gonna have to put in water and see if it lives, or get rid of it. So saying this, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.